cheers to Monday when you guys see this. We're currently sitting on Playa Guiones,
Yeah, because we are back to Nosara.
our favorite place. I love this place. So this week we have decided that we are going to take you on some epic adventures. We're going to tell you what you can get up to in Nosara.
It's gonna be awesome.
It's going to be so much fun.
So I guess there's gonna be some surf.
It's going to be surf.
Yeah, surf.
Of course, there's always
For me, surf is the only thing you can do here, but we need to...
Yeah, the rest of the stuff I actually have to convince you to come with me. There's a lot of fighting involved. But I'm very excited and we are going to jump right into it.
Welcome to our channel. Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Dash. Morning everybody, it is Monday. Woo! And today we are at Arsenal and we are going to go and see if we can find some turtles. But it's not looking promising, to be honest. Like, there are lots of birds and very little turtles. But we heard last week was the big arabada, so I don't think we're going to be seeing any turtles today, but I'll go for a walk along the beach and have a squiz to see if I can find anything. Yeah, I don't see much turtle vibes happening. These birds are freaking evil, man. Like, those, you can see the white ones over there. They are just eating away at turtle eggs. But it is life, so, or nature, I guess. I don't know if that's, I don't know. But this morning's got a beautiful sunrise. Look at this. All cloudy. It's gorgeous. Other ways of knowing if there's a turtle is the tracks. So you can see that there must have been one just a little bit earlier, so maybe I was a bit late. We'll just show you what the mama looks like. But oh man, that was gorgeous. Like, the turtle was going and then the sunrise was coming behind it. Got some little photographs. But yeah, the arabada is obviously way more intense with thousands of turtles coming in. This one was actually the green turtle, not the olive riley, so they're much bigger. We did see some of the babies in Jabones. But yeah, so let me just spare you all the rest of our walk, and we're just gonna cut straight to the previous arabada. Good morning, happy Tuesday. I have just made it to the market and today we're gonna go and grab us some fruit and vegetables, and we're also going to go and grab some presents because we are leaving Costa Rica. I'm a little bit sad about this, but yeah, we'll be back next year. We'll explain everything in another video for you guys. But anyway, so I'm going to go and grab some fruit and veg, some presents for some people who have looked after our place. So the market is the south of Guiones and it's on the main road. You can see here some trucks. It's still a bit early, so they're all still setting up. So let's see what we can find. So here are some cacao beans. This is small, like a handful.
1,000, 1,000.
1,000. So I think I'm just a little bit too early and haven't really managed to find anything. So got some fruit, got some vegetables, but presents will have to happen tomorrow or something. That's okay. So number 4 of things to do in Nosara is running on beautiful white sandy beaches. The pizza from last night's going to make its way out. Let's go and burn the pizza. Okay, so we have made it all the way to the south of Guiones. You've got the trees
South
here.
part of Guiones, which is more like because it's small rocks, so you can't surf. So you get
Yeah.
the boat there, the fisherman.
Fishermen over there. And yeah, maybe we can go riding on this section. Go and see like what we can find down there.
We're gonna go there on action.
Yeah. Let's go! Woo! Everyone's doing it. Ooh, I like your necklace. So cute. Beautiful down here. So the question is, will we be able to get through this?
That's the question.
That's a good question. I'm already broken.
It's low tide, so if it's visible now, it will be not visible high tide.
Oh yeah.
So,
Woo! Sweaty. Okay, ready?
alright.
This is pretty intense. Look at this crazy rock formation. It almost looks like it was like lava or something that had created this. Really cool.
So we made it through this, and just look what we found. It's not a waterfall. It's not a waterfall, but look at that.
Wow!
Secret beach.
Oh my goodness, that is pink. Look at that.
You're pink.
Yeah.
I think this color is the same. Like, this color.
Let's see if my face matches the sun.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Very close.
Wow, this is so pretty. Oh, I love Paris.
Finish line.
Finish line. Oh, you makes it. Woo!
So
I
now,
love, can you see those waves? Like,
yeah, let's go see the wave.
yeah, let's go look.
It seems like there is a reef there, and the wave looks good. So it may be a new magic spot.
Oh, this is.
We made it to the hand.
I can't know this. Or maybe. I don't know. You more the mountain goat in the relationship.
We found a waterfall. Waterfall!
Oh, baby waterfall. Look, there's even like stalactites. Stalagmites? Stalactites?
Right.
Tights? Oh, that's nice. But it's not that cold actually. You kind of want it to be freezing like proper mountain.
First, but it's clear water.
Yeah. You want some?
Yes. And let's go. Shower time! Shower time? Oh, it's hot!
It's hot. But we did choose to go like midday. Alright, it was probably the biggest mistake ever.
As usual.
As usual.
Very bad with spending.
Yeah. It was just like a last minute risk. Like no, we knew the surf was going to be bad.
Ah, it's gonna move.
I needed to move. So one of the little treats we like to do is get next door, or on the road, you normally see these guys selling orange juices. And it's ice cold, fresh orange juice. It's delicious. It's so refreshing.
So good.
So I just managed to get the perfect parking spot right in front of the waves. But I still need to go and get a surfboard, so I'm gonna go and walk that way and see if I can find a nice longboard. Playa Guiones is for every type of surfer. There are good waves, small waves, large waves, whatever you kind of want. So yeah, this is the little surf shop that I've been kind of eyeing out. Let's see if we can find a board. How gorgeous is that
I
view?
also let you to put your sunglasses on and imagine you're there.
So
Right.
sit back behind your desk on your Monday morning and enjoy this view. The sunset has become pink. Look at this. Wow! Wow! It's, oh my goodness. I'm gonna